Today, I'll talk about collaboration tools for remote journalism in India, its challenges and opportunities. So, in this discussion, I will analyze the landscape of collaboration tools utilized by remote journalists in India, examining the specific challenges they face and the opportunities presented by these technologies or technological advancement. It delves into the adoption rates, effectiveness, and limitations of various tools, considering factors such as internet connectivity, language barriers, cost, and security concerns. Furthermore, I'll analyze how these tools impact journalistic practices, including news gathering, verification, editing, and dissemination of information, ultimately aiming to provide insights for improving remote journalistic workflows in the Indian context. So, the rise of digital media and the increasing prevalence of remote work have significantly transformed the field of journalism. In India, where geographical distances, diverse languages, and varying levels of technological access pose unique challenges, collaboration tools have become indispensable for journalists operating remotely. So, these tools facilitate communication, information sharing, and coordination amongst different team members, enabling them to produce news content efficiently and effectively, regardless of their physical location. So, online collaboration tools have become essential for modern teams, especially with the rise of remote work and distributed teams. So, these tools facilitate communication, project management, knowledge sharing, enabling teams to work together effectively regardless of their physical distances. So, benefits of online collaboration tools are using online collaboration tools offers numerous advantages. The first is the improved communication. So, real-time messages, video conferencing, and shared documents ensure seamless communication amongst the team members. Then, it also enhances productivity, which means streamlining workflows, task management features, and automated process boost productivity. Then, better organization. So, centralized platforms for file storage, project tracking, and meeting schedule improve organizational management. It also increases flexibility. So, team members can collaborate from anywhere at any point of time, fostering flexibility and work-life balance. It also reduces costs. So, lower travel expenses, reduced office space requirements, and efficient resource allocation contribute to cost savings. It also improves team cohesion. So, shared workspaces, collaborative activities, and social features promote team bonding and a sense of communities. Now, there are different categories of online collaboration tools. So, online collaboration tools can be broadly categorized into different types. First is the communication tools. So, these tools focus on facilitating real-time and asynchronous communication amongst team members. Then instant messaging platforms. So tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Google Chat enable quick and easy communication through text-based messages, file sharing, and integrations with other applications. Now, I have to talk about video conferencing software. So, platforms such as Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams offer video and audio conferencing capacities for virtual meetings, presentations, and team discussions. Then, email. While email is a traditional communication method, it remains a vital tool for formal communication, document sharing, and external correspondence. Then project management tools. So these tools help teams plan, organize, and track projects from start to finish. Then task management software. So tools like Asana, Trello, and Jira allow teams to create tasks, assign responsibilities, set deadlines, and monitor progress. Then Kanban boards, which is a visual project management tool that use curves and columns to represent tasks and their status, providing a clear overview of the project workflow. Then NAT charts, so project scheduling tools that display tasks, dependencies, and timeliness, helping teams visualize project milestones and deadlines. Then document collaboration tools. So these tools enable teams to create, edit, and share documents in real time. So first is the cloud-based document editors. So platforms like Google Docs, Microsoft Word Online, and Dropbox Paper allow multiple users to collaborate on documents simultaneously with features like version control and commenting. Then shared file storage. So services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive provide centralized storage for files, making it easy for team members to access and share documents. Then whiteboarding tools. So digital whiteboards like Miro and Mural enable teams to brainstorm ideas, visualize concepts, and collaborate on visual projects in real time. Then knowledge management tools. So these tools help teams capture, organize, and share knowledge within the organization. Then wikis, which is a collaborative website that allow teams to create and edit document, building a shared knowledge base. Then intranets, so internal websites that provide employees with access to company information, policies, and resources. Then note-taking apps, so tools like Evernote and OneNote allow teams to capture and organize notes, ideas, and research. So examples of popular online collaboration tools are categorized by their primary function. The first is the communication tool. So Slack, I'll give you a detail on this, a popular instant messaging platform with channels for different topics, file sharing, and integration with other apps. Then Microsoft Teams, a comprehensive and communication and collaboration platform integrated with Microsoft 365, offering chat, video conferencing, and file sharing. Then Zoom, a leading video conferencing platform known for its ease of use and high quality audio and video elements. Similarly, project management, Asana, a versatile project management tool with features for task management, workflow automation, and reporting. Then Trello, a visual project management tool that uses Kanban boards to organize tasks and track progress of the project. Then Jira, which is a project management tool designed for software development teams with features for bug tracking, issue management, and agile development. Then document collaboration. So Google Workspace, formerly G Suite, a suite of online productivity tools including Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, which enables real-time document collaboration. Microsoft 365, a suite of productivity and including Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint with online versions of collaborative editing. Then Dropbox, a file storage and sharing service that allows teams to collaborate on documents and files. Then knowledge management. So Confluence, a collaborative workspace that allows teams to create, share knowledge, documents, and ideas. Then Notion, which is an all-in-one workspace that combines note-taking, project management, and database features. Then Guru, which is a knowledge management platform that helps teams capture, organize, and share information. Now, amongst all these collaboration tools, choosing or selecting the right online collaboration tool depends on the specific needs of the team and the organization. So, there are certain factors which will influence the selection or choosing the particular collaboration tool. For example, the time size and structure. Larger teams may require more robust tools with advanced feature. Then project complexity. So complex projects may benefit from dedicated project management software. Then budget. Some tools are free while others require a subscription fee. Then integration with existing systems. So the media house has to choose certain tools that integrate seamlessly with working experience and workflows. Then ease of use, which means the online remote journalist has to select tools that are easy to learn and use to encourage adoption and maximize productivity. Similarly, security, which has to ensure that the tools that they are choosing offer adequate security measures to protect sensitive data. So, what are the best practices for online collaboration? To maximize the effectiveness of online collaboration tools, there are certain steps. First is establishing clear communication guidelines. So the team members have to define how and when team members should communicate and which channels to use for different types of communication. Then set expectations for response times. So team members have to establish clear expectations for how quickly they can or they should respond to messages and requests. Then using video conferencing regularly. So the team members need to be encouraged to use video conferencing for meetings and discussions to foster a sense of connection and engagement. Then document everything, which is creating and maintaining documentation for procedures, and decisions to ensure that everyone is on the same page. For that, the team members need to be given training and support. So the media organizations need to offer training and support to help team members learn how to use these tools effectively. The team members also need to be encouraged to send feedback and continuous improvement. So regularly, the team members have to solicit feedback from others on the effectiveness of the tools and process and make adjustments as required. So, to conclude, I would say that online collaboration tools are essential for modern teams and remote journalists as well, enabling them to work together effectively regardless of their physical distances or location. By understanding the different categories of tools, considering the specific needs of the team, and following best practices for online collaboration, media organizations or other business organizations can leverage these tools to improve communication, enhance productivity, and foster a strong sense of teamwork. Now, what are the different challenges faced by remote journalists in India? So, despite all these potential benefits, the adoption and effective utilization of collaboration tools by remote journalists in India are hindered by several challenges. The first is limited internet connectivity. Reliable and high-speed internet access remains a significant obstacle, particularly in rural and remote areas of India. So, slow and intermittent connections can disrupt communication, impede file sharing, and render real-time collaboration tools unstable. So, this digital divide disproportionately affects journalists working in underserved regions, limiting their ability to participate fully in collaborative projects. Then, language barriers. So, India's linguistic diversity presents a unique challenge for collaboration. While English is used widely in mainstream media, many journalists work in regional languages. So, collaboration tools that lack multilingual support or translation capabilities can create communication barriers and that thereby hinder effective teamwork. Then, cost considerations. So, many collaboration tools, especially those offering advanced features and security measures, come with subscription fees. So, for independent journalists or those working for smaller media organizations and local media organizations with limited budgets, the cost of these tools can be prohibitive. Then, open source or free alternatives may lack the necessary functionality or security features, posing a trade-off between affordability and effectiveness. Then, security concerns are also a challenge. Journalists often deal with sensitive information and sources, making data security a permanent concern. So, collaboration tools that lack robust security measures can expose confidential information to unauthorized access or cyber attacks. So this is particularly critical for journalists covering sensitive topics such as politics, corruption, or human rights. Another challenges for remote journalists in India is the lack of training and awareness. So many journalists, especially those from older generations or those working in smaller media organizations, may lack the necessary training and awareness to effectively utilize collaboration tools. So this can lead to underutilization of features, inefficient workflows, and resistance to adopting new technologies. So there are different types of collaboration tools used by remote journalists in India. Collaboration tools have significantly impacted various aspects of journalistic practices in India, especially news gathering. So remote journalists can leverage social media and online databases to gather information from diverse sources regardless of their location. So collaboration tools facilitate the sharing of leads, tips, and information among team members, enabling them to cover stories more comprehensively. Then verification. So collaboration tools enable journalists to verify information quickly and efficiently. They can use social media monitoring tools to track the spread of misinformation and collaborate with fact checkers to debunk false claims or false information. Then editing and production. So remote editors can use collaborative editing tools to review and edit articles in real time, providing feedback and ensuring consistency in style and tone. Video conferencing tools facilitate virtual meetings for discussing story angles and production details. So, dissemination of information. Social media platforms and online publishing tools enable journalists to disseminate news content to a wider audience. Collaboration tools facilitate the coordination of social media campaigns and the monitoring of audience engagement. So there are certain opportunities for improvement in India. So to enhance the effectiveness of collaboration tools for remote journalism in India, the certain opportunities should be explored. The first is investing in infrastructure. Government and private organizations should invest in improving internet connectivity in rural and remote areas, and thereby ensuring that all journalists have access to reliable and high-speed internet. Then developing multilingual tools. So collaboration tools developers should prioritize the development of multilingual interfaces and translation capabilities to cater to the diverse linguistic landscape of India. Then providing training and support. So media organizations and journalism schools should provide training and support to journalists or aspiring journalists on how to effectively utilize collaboration tools, emphasizing the best practices for security and data privacy. Then promoting open source alternatives. So encouraging the development and adoption of open source collaboration tools can provide affordable and secure alternatives for journalists with limited budgets. Then enhancing security measures. So collaboration tool developers should prioritize the implementation of robust security measures to protect journalists' confidential data and the confidential sources from unauthorized access or cyber attacks. So, in conclusion, I would say that collaboration tools have become essential for remote journalists in India also, enabling them to overcome geographical barriers and work effectively in a distributed or coordinated environment. However, challenges such as limited internet connectivity, language barriers, cost considerations, and security concerns hinder the fulfillment or the full potential of such tools. So, by addressing these challenges and capitalizing on the opportunities for improvement, the Indian media landscape can empower remote journalists to produce high quality, impactful journalism that serves the public interests. Further research is also needed to explore the long term impact of these collaboration tools on journalistic practices, source protection, and the overall quality of news reporting in the Indian context. Thank you very much.